we will use Google Earth to see the area where recently a flash flood have occurred in Chamoli district. But first we have to look at the map of important locations. Here we can see Nanda Devi Glacier, Rishiganga River, Dhauliganga River and Rishiganga River confluence at the Rainy Village and further move to the Tapovan Dam. Now we'll see by the help of the Google Earth the locations of all the areas. Here we can see the snowy area is the Nanda Devi Glacier. Now we are zooming to the location where glacial portion of that particular glacier detached from the glacier and increased the surge in the water flow. This is the area where the water flow started and moved downstream. Now we can see it is Rishiganga River, which is turning toward the left at Pangchak Lata. We can see the rivulets from either side of the Rishiganga River. And we can easily see near the Thang area, the Rothi Gad, which is coming and mixing into the Rishiganga River. Here the glacial lake has been created due to the obstruction. Now we can easily see the Rainy Village where the Rishiganga project have been flooded by the Rishiganga River. We can see Rainy Village and the Dhauliganga River where the confluence of the two rivers is there. Rishiganga comes from the south side and Dhauliganga comes from the north side, and they confluence on the location of Rainy Village. Then Dhauliganga River moves downward, and on that downstream we will see the NTPC Tapovan Dam, which is completely destroyed by that flood. Here we come to see the hot spring area of the Tapovan. Now we can easily see the NTPC Tapovan Dam. There is a tunnel in NTPC Tapovan which was flooded by the flash flood, and there are peoples who can still be trapped on that particular tunnel. Now we are moving further downstream where the Dhauliganga River would meet to the Alaknanda River at Vishnuprayag. This is some rivulets where Dhauliganga River move further downstream, and we can now see on the left hand corner Vishnuprayag where Dhauliganga River meets Alaknanda River from the north side. So at Vishnuprayag, here we can see Dhauliganga River confluences to the Alaknanda River, and this confluence moved forward downstream as Alaknanda River. So here we see the flash flood, how it has generated, how the new lake, which is artificial lake, has created at the confluence of Rathigad and the Rishiganga River, and the total geographical locations of all the important sites which are very important for further study. The major concerns for the area are the construction of various dams, hydroelectric projects, the roads, which is creating a troublesome situation for the climate of the local climate, and climate change has been also a problem. Because of that, glacier been melting faster, and glacial lakes have been outbursting, creating flash floods around the mountains. So this is a topography of the area where the flash floods been there. I hope you have liked the video and would certainly appreciate it. Thank you.